All right, I'm just headed up to the airport. I'm gonna check on the airplane, and I'm gonna thank the guy for letting us put the airplane in the hangar because the thunderstorm blew through today and it was just miserable. Any fuel leaking? Dry. I'm good. Needs a little bit of a wax. That's okay. Hello? Hello? Not sure where anybody is, but hey, I've been waiting for you. How's it going?
Good.
Basketball?
Enjoying your time? Yeah.
Okay, it's thundery and lightning-y. Just got the plane fueled up, ready to go. Make our push to OSHKOSH in the morning. I'm pretty damn excited about it. Sam?
Kyle?
I'm looking at the Fisk Approach NOTAM for OSHKOSH. It's that time of year again.
We're having chili dinner tonight with Stan. Thanks for having us. Very perfect chili. And we're watching the ESPYs.
Okay, it's 10 o'clock. Headed to the Capitol flight party.
Did we ever say that we're actually in Timberlake?
We are in Timberlake.
In Timberlake.
4:30 wake up, plane's ready to go. And off at first light so we can make it in 3 o'clock. There's some thunderstorms. We are leaving. We're out of here. We're headed 5 hours to the party that's Southwest OSHKOSH in Madison. And we're gonna see if my cousin can grab some lunch with us or something.
Don't be putting me on camera now.
I can't say bye to you on camera.
You can say bye.
Nice meeting you, Stan. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
You bet. You guys. Well, I say have fun in OSHKOSH.
Oh, we will try.
We will. Thanks.
See ya.
See you, Dan.
We're ready to go. Leaving Timberlake.
Want me to hold brakes? What do you want? Yeah?
Hey. No. Well, we made it through the clouds. That was interesting.
Little.
Tied down as it started monsooning and gusting about 30. And then after about 3 minutes, it was gone.
Okay, we ate here. I don't even know where we're at. And now we're headed off to Madison. The storms are around. We got to Madison Airport. There's not much going on here. Kyle's cousin's here, but she's apparently working. And we were going to do something in town, but their courtesy car is kind of scary.
Courtesy car rattles like it's gonna fall apart.
And I broke my sunglasses that Kyle loaned me. I'm squinting again.
And you lost your other set, so that's good.
I know, I have bad luck.
Yeah.
We're here.
We're here with Austin at OSHKOSH, which we found out is hour-and-a-half drive. So we're gonna figure out how to manage that so we can't get the plane out. It's gonna be wedged into the Hartzell booth.
I never asked if shoes should go on or off. Hi! I'm Sam. Nice to meet you. I love your decorating. It's the one thing I really miss. Hi.
That's about, yeah.
That's a
about
proper
would fit in there. That would totally fit.
No, hang on a second.
Why is it like somewhat better for the man to be just very slightly older?
The guys mature slower.
Yeah,
Was that why it is?
and we don't want to have to deal with it for much longer than that.
It's premature now. Right?
I need help getting up.
You need help getting up?
Yes.
I think we might be done for the night, guys.
One of the hard parts of this whole trip, I'm trying to cook breakfast and I can't find a cutting board, but every time we go to somebody else's like new place, we always have to find the trash can. Like we always have to find out where they put their trash.
Swing by the post office first.
Austin and I are gonna go finish the oil change. We got back to the plane, we were doing our oil change and they moved us so they could put the Cirrus in here, and they moved the oil bucket into the plane too, but like not nearly close enough. Want to film my haircut?
Yeah.
You can. You press
What
this
do I need to do?
red button.
You guys throw it. Sorry. I'll start falling asleep at the party. I'll be super drunk if I don't know.
So we got the oil change all done and we are headed in the Ford Fusion. We're not flying the Cessnas, we're flying the Ford over to Madison for the Rock the Hangar party, which is supposed to be Rock the Rent, but it's thunderstormy and kind of party. And I'm not going to drink anything today because I just feel horrible.
And we're with Amanda and Austin. Good morning. The battery to the camera died right before the party last night, so we had fun. You guys missed the Wilga. It was kind of windy and rainy, and it's like that today too, so nobody's actually getting the OSHKOSH. And we're gonna go do some work on the airplane.
Austin and I are going flying. We had a gusty as heck flight and we landed in this grass field, but it took me twice to do it. And Austin thought it was great. And we just tied the plane down back there. We're gonna load it up with all our crap and head to OSHKOSH, but first Austin and I are getting a burrito. Austin and Amanda and Sam and I are on our way to Watertown Airport to go do the Fisk approach to OSHKOSH, which is one of the most dreaded things ever for a pilot to do, but it's not really a big deal.
He said land on the green dot.
I'm landing on the green dot, but he sent me on base over another airplane. Like, now I gotta slip it to avoid.
Turn your tires, set it down as soon as you can.
Alright.
Thunder Tower, you get the Aviator of the Day award. Nice job. Appreciate your help and right turn and follow the flag. Enjoy your time at OSHKOSH.
Oh my gosh, I forgot to update. We're here at OSHKOSH. Oh, that was such a challenging approach. We had to do a go over, and then we got an Aviator of the Award for how we landed over another airplane. It was scary, but we are waiting right now for some help to get us moved into the Hartzell booth. We have to wait for an Apache or something, or whatever airplane to land, so yeah, this is what we're doing right now. Hey, we made it to the Hartzell booth. This is Tristan.
Hey guys.
He's gonna vlog for me. Just a little bit.
Yeah, we don't.
Don't what?
You need a place to
Yeah, we do actually.
You do?
Yeah, we do.
You have a place to stay or you need a place to
We
stay?
need a place to stay.
Let me make a phone call and I'll get that going for you.
We can sleep on the floor. Doesn't matter.
I have a bed for you, I got everything.
Right.
Okay, we've just made it to Tristan's place.
Thanks for having us tonight. Have a nice place.
Oh yeah.